she enjoyed Earl Grey tea because it brought her warmth and comfort. Now, say we take that nice cup of Earl Grey and we spill the tea everywhere, right? Now the cup is robbed of its warmth and comfort. And if I smash the mug, which I'm not gonna do, it would shatter and we're all left with pieces and fragments. So when she passed, she left those fragments to the people that knew her best, because they each only knew one part of her, and they made up this beautiful person. The singer Simul said that sometimes we break so beautiful, and all those different pieces of her were beautiful. Her friend Emma described her as a bright, shining light who radiated warmth and kindness to those people around her. Her friend Daisy described her as somebody who was curious, constantly wanting to learn different things, and occasionally showing off that she knew those things. Her sister Bayes said that she was a waterfall of words that never ceased to hush, until now. Her brother didn't say much when she passed. He was very quiet because she was sort of like a mother figure to her. Her cousin Heidi might have been younger by a few months, but because Nydia brought her heart on her sleeve, she felt that there was a need to protect her from being vulnerable constantly. Her parents said that she had made life beautiful and respectable because she had taught them how to think with an open mind and an open heart. So just like this warm mug of Earl Grey tea, she was able to bring people together and provide them warmth. And sometimes, over a nice croissant maybe, a little chat would begin.